Hello everybody, in this video I would like to unbox the Huawei Watch Buds, which is a smartwatch with integrated earphones. Yeah, you can see here the Huawei Watch Buds model number. The color of the case is black stainless steel, and the strap is a black leather strap, and I think it's the only color here available here in Germany. Yeah, as I am a satisfied long-time user of Huawei smart watches, I thought that would be an interesting feature, because I'm somebody who tend to use earphones spontaneously and yeah, without having a pair of earphones with me. So this would be or this would solve this problem for me. So yeah, I will try it out and see whether it's a good option for me. So then let's cut here the plastic. So we have here a usual black box, usual for Huawei, and I think I have to. No, let's just cut it out. So let's open the box and see what we have here. So this is some paper stuff here, doesn't matter. So yeah, and here we can see the watch, and so this. Take it up. First of all, we'll pull this box out. It's one part, I think. So as we can see here, it's the cradle to charge the watch. So it's probably magnetically, as it was or as it is already in my Watch GT2 Pro. And a USB-C cable. No, it's not a USB-C cable, it's integrated here. It's USB-A. Okay, let's put it aside. The usual paper stuff, of course. Some spare ear chips, of course, depending on the ears of the person. Let's take it here. So this is into the Huawei Health app, which is not available anymore in the Play Store, I guess. At least I didn't found it anymore, so we have to download it. Here's download on the app gallery, the Huawei app gallery. Yeah, okay. So let's take a look at the watch. Here it is. You can see the black leather strap and the watch. So this is the mechanism to open. So I think it's a little bit okay. So you have to press a little bit from beneath, and here we can see the very small earphones. Yeah, I'll take this off here. Makes a very high quality impression, as usual in for Huawei watches, but in this price range it should be this way. So it's obviously black. I would like to compare the thickness of the watch with my own, or with my already existing Watch GT2 Pro. It's a Pro model. So you can see here it's 46 millimeters in diameter, the screen. It's the same diameter as the GT2 Pro, so you can see, yeah, it's a little bit thicker, of course, because the earphones, of course, need space, but otherwise it's I think it's a similar design language here, and yeah, I will make a video installing it and setting it up, and yeah, then share my impressions with you guys, particularly the handling the day on a daily basis, on a day-to-day use. The quality of the earphones, of course, is important. It's an important aspect for me, not the most important, but it's not unimportant. So yeah, we want to see what the Huawei Watch buds can support an experience, good experience or not. And yeah, I will share it with you. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and yeah, see you the next time. Thank you very much. Bye.